Hi students, welcome to eGanit Gyan. Today I am going to discuss about polynomials topic, class 10 syllabus from cbse. Before going into the main topic, let us understand the basic terminology of this polynomials. We have seen different types of polynomials in our 9th class based on number of terms, and based on degree. Here we will get monomial, binomial. Here we will get linear, quadratic, and so on. Here we will get quadratic, cubic, based on the power. Linear, if I take 2x plus 3, here quadratic x square plus 2x plus some 5, cubic highest power will be 3, like x cube plus 4. Like that we have seen 3 main polynomials based on the degree. Here we are going to discuss in this chapter only about these 3 polynomials and the zeros of this particular polynomials. Okay, let us move into our topic. So what we are going to learn here in this entire topic, it is very important. Polynomials of degree 1, 2, 3 are called. We are going to discuss about these polynomials. We are going to discuss about linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and after that we are going to discuss about the coefficients of the polynomial. Okay, here it is x square. Then we are going to discuss about the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, by putting a particular value into the polynomial we will get 0. How we can find out that particular value, what is the relationship between the coefficients to that particular value, we are going to discuss mainly these 3 points in this entire topic. Today I am going to discuss about linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial and their graphs. Okay, what is the geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial? Suppose I have a polynomial here, y is equals to 2x plus 3. Y is equals to 2x plus 3. Here the highest power is 1, variable's highest power is 1, so I can say this one as linear polynomial. So if I draw this linear polynomial on the graph sheet, I will get a line, a particular line. How I can draw? Suppose x value I will assume, then I will get y value x, y. If I assume x value, if suppose x value is 0, this term will become 0, like 2 into 0 plus 3, I will get 3, y value 3. Then if x value is 1, I will get y value 2 plus 3, 5. If x value is some 2 or minus 2, let me take minus 2, here I will get minus 4 plus 3, I will get minus 1. Like that I can find out the points here. 0 comma 3 is a point, 1 comma 5 is a point, another point is minus 2 comma minus 1. If I plot all these points on the graph sheet, I can find out the line on the graph sheet. Suppose I am writing here the equation, we will get the graph sheet. How we will get? I am writing the equation 2x plus 3. So here we are getting the line. This particular line shows us the polynomial 2x plus 3. Okay, that is how we can interpret. Linear is nothing but a line. We will get a line for this. Then coming to another thing, a quadratic. Suppose here also we will follow the same method. So what I will assume x value, then I will get y value. If x value is 0, if I substitute here, what I will get? 0 minus 0, here minus 4, so y value is 4. like that. If x is 1, suppose if x is equals to 1, if I substitute here, I will get 1 minus 3 minus 4. 1 minus 7 is minus 6. Then I will take x value minus 1. Here I will get, if x is equals to minus 1, what I will get? Here I will get minus 6. If x is minus 1, I will get 1 minus it is plus 3 minus 4, I will get 0. Now if I complete this thing on the graph sheet, what is my equation? X square minus 3x minus 4. I will write my equation here, x square one second, x square minus 3x minus 4, I am getting here one parabola I am getting here. And if you observe here clearly, this parabola intersecting to the x-axis at two locations. One is at this location, another one is at this particular location. Okay, yes, this is very important. This location is 4, 0. This location is minus 1, 0. Okay, now coming to our actual thing, we are getting the parabola like this. Here minus 1, 0, here 4, 0. And for linear equation, we got one particular line like this. We will see that 2 points also. What is that 2 points? Let me take that equation here. What is the equation? 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. If I take that, I am getting here 0, 3 minus 1.5, 0. See, at only one point it is intersecting to the x-axis, minus 1.5, 0. This particular location is minus 1.5, 0, I can say. Okay, since it is a linear equation, the line is intersecting to the x-axis only one place. It is quadratic equation, highest power is 2, that's why it is intersecting to this particular x-axis at a maximum 2 points. And here we will get 3 different cases. That is case 1. Okay, the parabola may come in this way, and case 2, the parabola may come in this way. Okay, somewhere at only one point. Case 3, if I see, the parabola may intersect, may not intersect also. We may get the parabola like this. The shape name is called as parabola. Okay, we may not get any zeros also. According to the equation, we will get one of the graph. Like this also we may get downside also. It may not intersect to the x-axis. So we will get we'll have different types of graphs based on the equation here. Okay, but the maximum number of zeros for quadratic polynomial will be 3. If we see a cubic polynomial here, you see here we have one cubic polynomial, y is equals to x cube minus 4x, y is equals to x cube minus 4x. If I find the points for that one, let me find some points. If I take x value 0, I will get y value 0. If I take x value 1 cube minus 4, which is minus 3, and if I take minus 1, I will get plus 3. So the points are 0, 0, minus 1, 3, and 1, minus 3. These are the points which I am having here. By using that points, if I draw the particular equation on the graph sheet, I will get here x cube minus 4x. So x cube minus 4x, if I draw that one, if I take here x cube minus 4x, x cube minus 4x, here I can observe very clearly it is intersecting to the x axis at 3 different locations. One is minus 2 comma 0, another one is 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 0. At 3 locations it is intersecting to the x axis. Okay, so why we are getting that one? Because of this is a cubic polynomial. So for cubic polynomial, the particular graph will be like this. It will intersect to the x axis at 3 different locations. Okay, for this graph the zeros will be minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 0. These are the 3 locations. Now if I conclude this particular 3 points, for linear equation, at only one point the line intersects to x axis. For quadratic it intersects at a maximum at 2 points. For cubic it intersects at only maximum number of points are 3. Like that we can conclude. Okay, now if I take exercise 2.1, here we have a simple question. The question is, the graph of y is equals to px are given in figure 2.1.0 below for some polynomial p of x. Find the number of zeros of the p of x. Okay, you see here we have only one line which is not intersecting to the x axis, so we will get here, we will not get any zeros. We will say here no zeros. Here it is intersecting to x axis to only one point, so for question 2, 1 0. Question 3, this graph is intersecting to the x axis at 3 locations, so we can say here it has 3 zeros. For question 4, it is intersecting to x axis only 2 points, so it has 2 zeros. Then this one, if we observe 1 2 3 4, at 4 locations it is intersecting, so I can say it has 4 zeros. Now if we see here 1 2 3 locations, another one, question number 6, it has 3 zeros. Like that we will conclude.